guys, Cheri from cookswellwithothers.com back again to share another week's worth of recipes for you. Kind of takes a little bit of the stress off of cooking for your family if I come by every week and share a few recipes for you. Then all you have to do is make those recipes. So this week we have a really good soup because cold weather is setting in and everybody loves soup when it's nice and cold. This soup in particular my kids absolutely loved. So the rest of the recipes this week, you are only going to cook one time. I have some chicken in the crock pot and you're gonna use that chicken in 3 other recipes throughout the week. So basically you're cooking twice and getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meals out of it. So let's get started. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you that you can find all of these recipes linked below or at cookswellwithothers.com. So if I share something that you're not particularly interested in, I've got lots of other recipes for you at cookswellwithothers.com. All right, now we will get started. The soup recipe that I am sharing with you this week is an Italian sausage and kale soup. I actually used ground turkey Italian sausage just to cut a few calories. Like I said, my kids absolutely loved it, and we definitely got 2 meals out of that one because it made a large amount. So the chicken recipe in the crock pot that I have for you is shredded buffalo chicken. Make that in the crock pot. You're gonna make a good amount of that because you're gonna use it in 3 other recipes for the week. Just store it in the fridge and pull it out when you need it. The first recipe that you're gonna make with the shredded buffalo chicken is buffalo chicken bacon ranch sliders. They are so good. And the kids, like I said, absolutely loved it. My husband absolutely loved it. I just served that with a side of fresh fruit and just some of the frozen French fries that you get in a bag at the grocery store. Pop them in the oven and you have a full meal right there. We're also gonna do buffalo chicken stuffed sweet potatoes. And I will say my husband and my teenagers and I love that. My 8-year-old, this was a night where he just ate the buffalo chicken by itself. He does like sweet potatoes on the side, so I just made him a sweet potato with some buffalo chicken. So basically he had the same thing as us, it just wasn't all together. So if you have kids, that might be an option. For our fun weekend dinner, we have air fryer buffalo chicken macaroni and cheese bites. I always like to do a fun weekend dinner. Sometimes it's a dessert, sometimes it's kind of like a snacky appetizer. You can call this a meal, you can call this an appetizer, it can be a game day snack, whatever you want to call it. It's really, really good. And you're going to use the rest of that shredded buffalo chicken in there. So hopefully this helps, and happy eating this week, guys. I'll see you next week, and remember all of those recipes are linked below and they're also at cookswellwithothers.com.